the perfect budget fitness tracker, long-lasting battery, Amazon Alexa smart assistant, advanced health tracking features, one of the best smartphone apps. Sounds good to me. Welcome, and first of all, thanks for stopping by. My name is Tiago, and I like to check cool tech. If that's something that may be interested, please take a moment and subscribe, because this video is one of the many cool tech reviews that we are doing together. Let's start with the price, £24, or if you are in US, $39.99, puts this fitness tracker on the top of the budget fitness trackers, with a bunch of features, and with the brand being part of the Huami, the company that made the excellent Mi Band 5. We can see that the Amazfit Band 5 was destinated to success straight out of the production line, with great features like the health monitoring, but with some drawbacks, like not having GPS. But before the unboxing and the dive in, a word of the video sponsor, VIP-SCDkey.com, a cool site that I found for all your gaming keys and software needs. You can find really cheap keys and they are safe to use. I just bought a new PC and I need a Windows 10 key. Let me show you how to buy one. Just before we start, they have the back to school sale, so don't forget to use code TFFF. Let me just put my payment information really quick. Buy now, and here is the key. Let me show you on my system. It's already activated, but we can change the product key for the one we just bought. And that's it. It's all activated, it works. Go and follow the link on the video description below, and don't forget to use the code TFFF to get 30% off at VIP-SCDkey.com. Back to the video with a quick unboxing. The Amazfit Band 5 looks amazing and packs amazing features. If a few years ago someone told me that AMOLED screen, smart assistant, 2 weeks battery life, and 24/7 health tracking with SpO2 will be on sale for less than $40, I would hardly believe. But it's 2021 and the Amazfit Band 5 has all of that and costs less than that. And because it's starting to be a rule here on the channel, let's see some of the specs. 1.1 inches full color AMOLED display with anti-fingerprint coated touch screen. BioTracker TM2 PPG bio-tracking optical sensor, Bluetooth 5.0, polycarbonate body, and 125 mAh battery. Next, health tracking. On this field, the Amazfit Band 5 is exceptional. You have HR tracking allowing you to collect samples every minute, called continuous heart rate tracking, running 24/7. Wearing the band when you're sleeping is a nice experience, with the band being so small that you'll forget that it's on your wrist. So, the sleep tracking is one important health feature, being able to measure the quality of your sleep, and the HR performance are quite important factors. The PPG HR sensor will detect any spikes and even warns you if there is the need to. You can check all of this and do some tuning on the best health app, in my opinion, which is called Zepp. But more on the app in a moment. HR tracking is very important when doing sports, and this takes us to the first drawback. There is no GPS on the Amazfit Band 5, but that can be resolved using your phone GPS, and you'll be amazed with all the data provided. Steps count, calories count, distance, and so on. On top of all of this, the Band 5 has SpO2 tracking, blood oxygen saturation, one very important metric that can indicate sickness and alert you to possible health complications, especially if the measured oxygen saturation is below 90%. Workouts. Straightforward on here, 11 sport modes like walking, freestyle, and swimming, for example. So, if by now you have been wondering if the Amazfit Band 5 was waterproof, yes it is, 5 ATM water resistant. Let's see some of the features next. Incoming call, phone camera control, stopwatch, find my phone, music control, message notifications, weather, alarm clock, timer, and of course the most important one, the Alexa assistant. Just before we talk about the best app for health tracking, let me share with you my experience with the battery life. Just be aware that will change depending on the type of use. With this said, and with the Pi enabled, and that means personal activity intelligence, you will get around 5 to 7 days. With the Pi disabled, that will improve the battery life. And in my testing, with the SPO2 and Pi, I got around 6.5 days. But let's be sincere, I don't work out a lot. I know, I should. Well, let's talk about the Zepp now, the smartphone app. You can configure almost anything about the Amazfit Band 5 and also look into the details about each and every feature. The amount of data you are going to get about sleep tracking includes values about deep sleep, light sleep. You can have workouts, and even if you want to change the band phase, there is plenty of them. But for me, the best feature of the Zepp app is the breathing quality monitoring. Is one of the great new features of the app. The Amazfit Band 5 is a premium and capable device offering a solid fitness tracker with plenty of options, decent waterproofing, and comprehensive health hub. To add to this, the Amazon Alexa feature and controls for music, events, and even the possibility of using it as a remote control for your smartphone camera, together with the price, makes the Amazfit Band 5 the best budget fitness tracker of 2021 in my opinion. That's all for today. If you found this review useful, the best reward to me is to give it a like and to subscribe to the channel. Please let me know in the comments if you have one or any questions about the Amazfit Band 5. Thiago here, wishing you a great day. I will catch you later.